These things are so bright, you need to wear shades. Okay, so let's take a quick squiz at the new KickAss light bar kit. They're beautiful bright lights. Now they are the white light or the amber, and it can be changed by the touch sensitive dimmer, which is absolutely fantastic. Waterproof silicone over the actual LEDs to protect them from all the weather conditions. Back of the LED light is also got a magnet on it, so you catch them by a magnet if you need to, as well as coming with cable ties and Velcro straps as well. Okay, so let's look at what comes with the kit. So obviously you get your 4 light bars, you get your awesome little KickAss carry bag here. It comes with 2 dimmers, so you get 2 of these dimmers. As you can see by this setup here, that's why I've been able to run one as a white light and one as an amber light. You've got your 3-way splitter, so you can run your lights off in 3 different directions. You've got your 2-way splitter for your power, so you can form your 2 different sections like what I've got here. You've got your 2 3-meter power extensions, your 2 3-meter light extensions. As well, we've also got the crocodile clip to cigarette lighter socket adapter for you. And also comes with the power cable as well. And as you can see, that suits a Merit, your cigarette lighter socket, where you can pull the cap off, and it's also fused as well. So we sort of thought of everything. So there we go, the new KickAss LED 4-bar light kit. Head over to the website and grab one today. You ripper.